How to loop YouTube videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can loop and then repeat a specific video on YouTube automatically. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So whenever you browse through YouTube, you know that we have a automatic playback feature by default, which means you play a specific video. After the video ends, it's going to play another video from the list. To give you an example, I'm just going to open one of the videos here, right? Once I open a video, and if this video ends over here, if you've autoplay feature enabled, it's directly automatically going to play the next video after this. But let's say you don't want that to happen and you just want to play this specific video over and over again. How do you do that? Well, that's also very simple. So you can see that the video is being played, and in order to loop this video, by default autoplay is on because at the bottom of this video you can see this little option, right? But if you want to repeat this video constantly, what do you need to do? On this video screen, just right click your mouse, and then here you'll find the option called loop, and that is basically, you don't need to do anything. Let me show you. Right click on the video and then you'll find loop. Just click on the loop button and the video is going to loop again and again after it also finishes. So let me show you again. It begin from the beginning, right? So I'll just take it to the end again, and again you can see after this video ends, it's going to start from the beginning again. And that is it for today's video on how you can actually loop a specific video on YouTube. Now if you're on Android or mobile, you have to just click the three dots icon and then do whatever else you can. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.